Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm showing how to set signature on Outlook. This video is based on 2016 version. You can follow the same procedure even if you are using previous or later versions. So first of all, you will have to open your Outlook profile. After you open the Outlook, just click on new email, which is coming under the home tab, and under the message you will see signature option here. Click the arrow pointing downward and click on signatures. So a new window will be opening like this for signatures and stationery. Stationery part we will check it later. I'm just talking about the email signature. So in case if you have multiple emails configured on your Outlook, you can see it here, and you can have separate emails for your different emails. And let's create one new email. Find one, for example, and you just need to put just copy paste the signature or just type the signature. Okay, same like this you can provide your mobile number, all the details, company details and everything, and even you can customize this one by selecting the area, selecting the text where you want to apply the signature editing. Like for example, you want to increase the size of signature or some color. For example, you need red and bold, italics if required. Same like this, you can apply the format in your signature, and even you can align it. You can make it center of the message or right side. Normally this practice nobody is doing that one, but if you want to have, you can use that option. So I'll be aligning to the left, and you can business card, if you can even attach the business card, but this option we will be discussing in another video. And pictures, if you have pictures, you can just download the pictures. For example, your company logo or something, you can insert it. And even video you can insert, even you can insert the hyperlink, not video, hyperlink between your, for example, you put your personal Facebook with the logo. For example, you put F with a Facebook logo or something, and just you want to hyperlink it with your website or something. Just go here and existing web page. For example, facebook.com/ facebook.com. Click on OK. Press OK. So after you created the signature, you can click on sign one, and here you can see this F has been hyperlinked to the facebook.com. You can put your facebook.com/ whatever URL that you want to provide, even Twitter or anything else, it doesn't matter. So we already configured one signature. You can have multiple signature, and you can have same profile, multiple signature, different time. For replies, you can have a different signature. Suppose I'm going to create one reply. Just I'm putting best regards. Thanks. Something like that. And this one you can make it for the reply. So the new message, it will be using sign one, which we created before, and replies it will be using the simplest signature that we create, and click on OK. And even you can switch between that. If you just want to switch between the signatures, you can just switch it between that. Sometimes you will have you don't want to provide your mobile number and everything, so you can have multiple signatures in your sorry. So, and even you can if you have multiple accounts, you just need to switch it here and choose the corresponding signature. So automatically it will be popped up. This once it's set, you don't need to worry, every time it will be coming automatically, because we have enabled the signature automatically on your message. But if you just want to put it manually every time, you don't want to put this automatically, in this case you just switch to none, and when you open the message again, signature will not be coming automatically, but you can just click and choose the signature. So I believe this video was helpful to you guys. I really thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Take care. Goodbye.